Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new free assembly and scoop, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Sneak peek sweaters from Free Assembly. They have that higher neckline sleeveless to cable knit material, gold buttons with the anchor, and then this same fit through the back. Comes in the red, also in the navy, and they'll be linked down below. So new from Free Assembly are these smock skirts. So they have that elastic at the waist, poplin material, fit and flare with the little bows on both sides, and they'll be linked down below. So new dress from Free Assembly. I think this one might be on sale online, but it has the thin straps ruffled, this V neckline, fit and flares. I think this one you can only get online. I didn't see this in any other stores. That means that online only means that somebody probably returned it to this store. That's why it's here and there's only one. Also new denim shorts from Free Assembly. They have an elastic waistband, drawstring tiers, flowy, the look of a skirt, but they're shorts, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $25. Also new from Free Assembly is this smock dress. So this one has the tie strap, squared neckline, smocked at the top, flowy through the skirt, in the green, also in the blue, and they're $39. Pocket jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise, that pocket, wide flowy leg, and they are $28. And then they also have these jeans from Free Assembly. They're high rise. They have that raw hem at the bottom, pockets on the back, and these are $26. Also new, a woven look sweater from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline, gold buttons, this little ruffle trim with the two front pockets, same fit through the back. Also new from Free Assembly is this contrast short sleeve sweater. It has the crew neckline, the short sleeve. We saw these in solids. I think they're $16. So these new blazers from Free Assembly, they have the smaller collar, lapel completely lined, relaxed through the wrist, the tortoise button, that same fit through the back. These match back to the pants that we saw. So that's what the pants look like. They have the front pocket wide through the leg. Jacket is going to be $40, and the pants are $26. New Henley dress from Free Assembly. This has that V neckline, the buttons, flutter sleeve, midi length, ribbed and stretchy. Also new denim shirt from Scoop. So this has a smaller collar, full button, they are hidden. The puff sleeved 3/4 seam detail to thicker denim, and then the same fit through the back, and these are $36. New dress from Free Assembly. So this has that higher neckline, fabric buttons all the way down with a little belt, side pocket, that same fit through the back. Slip dress from Scoop. So this one has that satiny, oh no, it's like a chiffon material. It has a sweetheart neckline with the empire waist fit and flares out midi length with smocking in the back. Dress is $32. Dress from Scoop is on major sale online. So this has the tie detail, buttons all the way down, elastic with the drop tier, same fit through the back. These are down to $12. And they also come in another print. Has a little button detail, and I think they're regularly $26. New from Free Assembly is this eyelet dress. So this has the tie straps, that ruffled trim pleating through the bust, and then it flows out with the smocking. No, there's no smocking, it's just pleated through the back. Sweater tank from Free Assembly. This one has the thick straps, that scoop neckline, the little ruffled trim, seam fit through the back. To match, they have this pull-on skirt from Free Assembly. It has that elastic waistband, tiers, ribbed and stretchy, and then the seam fit through the back. New dress from Scoop. This one has that high neckline, sleeveless to linen texture, shift style with the pockets, also ties in the back with the scoop. Also new black dress from Scoop. This one has the thick straps that fold over with the faux buttons, midi length. How cute is this little set from Free Assembly? So it has the boxy jacket, gold buttons, short sleeve. So perfect for your dresses. If you don't want to show your arms in the summer, you still get that coverage and you're cool and comfortable. And then to match, they have the button down skirt with the front pockets, and They don't have a price, but they'll be linked down below. Pretty is this new trench from Free Assembly. It has that oversized collar, full functioning buttons, the little button detail on the wrist with the side pocket, completely lined on the inside. This is the small, so it is more of a relaxed fit with that seam detailing in the back. It also has the slit. Also have these matching sets from Free Assembly. It has that pleating, the peplum at the bottom, keyhole. Skirt has that pleating, same kind of fit. Comes in the blue, also in the lime. Tops are $26. Skirts are $28. Dress from Free Assembly. This has the smaller collar, full button, fit and flares out with the button detail on the wrist, that same fit through the back, and they're $39. So this one has the braided trim. How pretty are the little rose buttons, 2 pockets, relaxed through the wrist, that same fit through the back. We saw the white. Also comes in navy. They're $42. Embroidered jacket from Scoop. So this one might be online only. It has that rounded neckline, tortoise buttons, that ruffled trim, relaxed with the gathering, completely lined on the inside with the side pocket, and then that same fit through the back, and they'll be linked down below. So new from Scoop in the pink. These are a wide leg, mid-rise. They have the pork chop pocket, seam detailing. How fun is this pink color? It says relaxed through hip and thigh, and they'll be linked down below. These jackets are from Scoop. They have that smaller collar, zip, the button on the wrist with the drawstring, same fit through the back, and they're $36.98. Also in that cropped length is this jacket from Free Assembly. It has that crew neckline, the eyelet trim, tortoise buttons, that same fit through the back, and they're $34. Short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. They have that crew neckline, ribbed sleeve in the yellow, also the white, that pink color, and they're $18. Sleeve tees from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline, the little shoulder detail in the pink stripe, also in that navy stripe with the blue collar, and they're $16. So I have these jeans from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, also with the drawstring, side pocket, barrel leg with pockets in the back, and these are $28. So now is this cardigan. So it has that high neckline, ribbed wrist, the gold buttons, that same fit through the back in the pink, also in the navy, and they are going to be $28. Crop jacket from Free Assembly. This has the smaller collar, denim corduroy collar, button on the wrist with the seam in the back. How pretty is the pink stripe? New cream colored pants from Free Assembly. So these are the carpenter barrel jeans with the side pocket. They also have that raw hem at the bottom and the same fit through the back. Short sleeve blazer from Scoop. This has the smaller collar, lapel, one button, length, $36. Pleated culottes to match. These have the side button zip, side pocket, flowy knee length with the trouser pockets in the back. And these are going to be $26. Drop tier dress from Scoop. This one has the thick strap, Scoop neckline, the seam detail, flowy skirt with the little tie in the back. In the purple, also comes in black, and they're $32. Dress from Scoop. It has that high neckline, smockling, puff sleeve, the drop tier, seam fit through the back. This is online only. It might be in stores up north, but love this top with the little ruffled neckline, the tie, side seam, elastic, scoops in the middle, in the green, also comes in the blue, and they are $24. These are from Free Assembly. They have that smaller collar, 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, seam fit through the back. Oh, I didn't notice it had that little leather patch. New cardigan with the matching tank from Scoop. So these are boyfriend style. It's a pointel, medium-sized buttons with the 2 front pockets, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, same fit through the back, in the lavender, also in the ivory, and they're $30. And to match, they have these tanks. They have the thicker strap, square neckline, smocking at the bottom, in the ivory, also in the lavender, and the tank tops are $20. So on sale is this top from Scoop. So it has the lace trim, Scoop neckline with the tie, baby doll fit, Regularly $22. It's on sale in some colors and sizes for $13.20. Are my favorite tees from Free Assembly. They're my go-to. I have so many t-shirts, but I love these. They're very comfortable. In the blue, the white and black. There's a slate blue, pink, and white, and they're $10. And then on this side, they have that boxy fit. So they have that crew neckline in the white, pink, navy stripe, and black, and those are also $10. Scoop is also on sale online. That has that scoop neckline, buttons all the way down, the lightest weight. The material is so pretty in this pink color. Seam in the back, down to $11. Regularly, I think they were $24. Yeah, $24. Color in the square neck short sleeve sweaters from Scoop. So these have that smaller button, ribbed and stretchy, now in this navy, and they're $24. Their matching set from Free Assembly has the elastic, the little tie, the scallop trim elastic through the back, comes in the plaid, also in the denim. Tops are going to be $30, and then they have the skirt with the smocking fit and flare with that pretty eyelet detail in the plaid, also in the denim, and they're $36. Short sleeve scuba sweatshirts. These have that crew neckline, the shoulder detail, banded wrist, more of a boxy fit in the gray. They also come in the purple, and these are $22. And then the pants to match have that elastic waistband, that jogger bottom in both the gray and the lavender, and they are going to be $22. Scoop Scuba Blazers on major sale. So this one has the smaller collar lapel, super soft and stretchy, ruching through the sleeves, so soft and stretchy. These are regularly $34. They're down to $12 and change. The full button, little rounded collar, pointel, puff sleeve in the white, also in the yellow, and they are $26. First is this new top from Free Assembly. So this has that high neckline, this gathered detail, elastic on the wrist, 3/4 sleeve, and then it has that same fit through the back with that seam. Comes in the white, also in this white and blue stripe, and they are going to be linked down below. New tees from Free Assembly. They have that scoop neckline, cap sleeve fitted, and that same fit through the back in the white. Also comes in the stripe, and they're $9. Also have new denim from Free Assembly. So this has the pork chop pockets, some feeding, that raw hem at the bottom, and then the pockets in the back. Crop undone hem jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise with the whiskering, that raw hem, pockets on the back, and they're $28. First of these new puff sleeve dresses from Scoop. They have this lace trim, the lace with the V, little tie detail, seam at the waist, fit and flares out, and then some smocking with a zipper in the back. Comes in the white and purple floral. They also have pockets. They have a solid pink, and they are going to be linked down below. Also new cardigans from Free Assembly. They have the crew neckline, smaller buttons, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, that seam fit through the back. In the blue stripe, also comes in the green and pink. So new seam tee from Scoop. So this has that crew neckline, that seaming, fits at the waist with the dolman sleeve seam around the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $16. How pretty is this eyelet dress from Free Assembly? Has the thin strap, square neckline, embroidering tiers and flowy all the way down. That seam fit through the back. Also has the smocking, and the dress is going to be $38. They also have new jewelry from Free Assembly. So they have this little necklace. It's $18. This double necklace, like 2 small herringbones, $18. This is pure aparte bonus. I don't know what to say. Look at the little pineapple charm, $20. 2 sets of earrings, a little card, Oh, I should get that for my mom. 18. They're all between 18 and 20. There's a silver hoop set. This necklace is cute. 18. My goodness, look how pretty this scoop bag is. With the beading. It has that flap. It is a little heavy, but look how pretty. More scoop bags. So here's another one of the beaded bags. And then we saw that black one, but they also have it in this beige color. Cute are these from Free Assembly, like dumpling style bags. And the straw, like raffia with the black. They also have red and green. They're only $20. It's like perfect night out bag. Canvas totes from Free Assembly. So these kind of remind me of the, what is it, the L bean bags that are really popular. Oh yeah, I want to go to Trader Joe's today to get the small bags, small totes. They have the pastel colors. So they have white and blue, red and beige, and they're $38. They also have this top handle bag in the stripe with the green, yellow, and those are $22. We saw that black bag. Now they have it in this blue color. I think when I shared it last time, they might have had limited available, but these are $30. We have the Devil Wears Prada collab for scoop with the heels. These have that pointed toe, stiletto with the sling back. These are $50. And also from that collection, these strappy heels. These have the round toe, that crisscross ankle strap with the gold heel. Those are also $50. Mesh sneakers from Scoop. These have the round toe. They're sheer through the side, flat, and these are going to be $50. Also from Scoop are these mesh flats. They have the round toe, all that grommet detailing, and these are $36. And they also come in this straw color. Scoop little slip-on ballet sneakers. They have that round toe, completely flat, and these are going to be $36. Heels from Scoop. They have that round toe, the little peep toe, and they're $40. So in the slingbacks are these satin flats from Scoop. So they have that square toe with the slingback. These are like Miu Miu, look for less. No platform from Free Assembly. These have that espadrille bottom, the chunky heel with the slingback, and they're $42. And then also in the return section, they have these heels from Free Assembly. So they have the round toe with the heel legs in this denim material. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.